Amber here with Paris Wigs and Extensions in Chandler, Arizona, and today I want to show you one of our top quality synthetic wigs by Raquel Welch. It is called Upstage, or She I should say. This is color Shadow Shade 1923. She has this dark root that gives her more of a natural effect. She has one of the best caps and lots of natural features, which I will show you in just a second. But you can flip her out or under if you want. She is a heat defiant fiber, so you can actually use a straightener on low heat or a curling iron on low heat on her. So here is the inside of Upstage. Here is the top of her. As you can see, she's a full monofilament top, so everything here was sewn in by hand, and you can part her in any direction. So if you want a middle part, you can get that. If you want a left side or a right side part, not a problem. She also has a very nice natural feature with a lace front, so it's gonna look like it's growing right out of your scalp. Very natural. She has these velvet ear tabs. They are bendable, so you can bend them in. If you wear glasses, that really comes in handy. Keeps the wig nice and close to your head to make it look more realistic. And here we have the actual cap part. Like I said, this is one of the higher quality caps. You can see it's very nice and thin. So it's lightweight and airy, and all the strands of hair are sewn in by hand. So it's not a machine-made wig. It makes it look very, very natural, like each strand's growing out of your scalp, and makes it lightweight and comfortable on your head. This has been Upstage by Raquel Welch, sold at Paris Wigs and Extensions. We do free consultations, so if you want to give us a call, our number will be at the end of this video, also our address and website if you want to go check us out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. We post a video every week, and if you have any suggestions for videos, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and I definitely love getting suggestions. It really helps post things that you guys want to see. So thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great hair day.